So welcome students. So in this question, you're given that you have a parabola y square is equal to 4x and you have P as the vertex of this parabola and QR is a focal chord, it passes through the focus, and the area of this triangle is given as capital A. So the area of the triangle is given as capital A, and you're asked to find the difference between the y coordinates of these points Q and R in terms of capital A and small a. So let us go about doing this problem. So now let us assume that the parameter of the point Q is T1 and the parameter of point R is T2. So point Q can be written as 2a T1, the point Q can be written as a T1 square comma 2a T1, and point R can be written as a T2 square comma 2a T2, and the point P is the vertex which is the origin, and it's given that the area of this triangle is equal to capital A. So what is the area of this triangle? One vertex is origin, so the area of the triangle is nothing but the determinant of this matrix, this into this minus this into this. So the capital A can be written as half of the determinant, half of a T1 square into 2a T2, that is 2a square T1 square T2 minus x1 y2 minus x2 y1, that is 2a square T2 square T1, and the mod of this, the area is the mod of this, that is equal to half times. So if you take 2a T1 T2 as common, you get T1 minus T2. So the mod of this is the area of the triangle. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this implies the area capital A is equal to mod of a T1 T2 times T1 minus T2. And because this is a focal chord, because the chord QR is a focal chord, we know that the condition is that T1 T2 is equal to minus 1. That is the condition for a chord join in T1 T2 to be a focal chord. So T1 T2 is equal to minus 1. If you put minus 1 here, so that is equal to mod of a times T1 minus T2. So this is the value of A. And what is the term that you're asked? You're asked to find the difference between the y coordinates of these 2 points. That is, you're asked to find 2a T1 minus 2a T2. You're asked to find 2a times T1 minus T2. What is the mod of this? So you have a square here. So you're asked to find 2 times a times mod of T1 minus T2. So what is that? If you take one a onto this side, capital A by small a is equal to mod of a times T1 minus T2. So if you want mod of 2 times a times T1 minus T2, that will be equal to 2 times capital A by small a. So the answer is 2 times capital A by small a. So that will be the answer to this question. Thank you.